There's nothing quite like driving my car on the open road. Nothing can get in the way except a car breakdown. And that's why I'm a CarShield customer. With CarShield, I've got a nationwide network of trusted mechanics. So no matter where I'm driving, I drive with peace of mind. It's easy to see why CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company.
CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company. Plans cover up to 5,000 parts and systems, including your engine, transmission, cooling, electronics, and so much more, saving drivers big bucks on out-of-warranty car repairs.
I've been a CarShield customer for over 4 years. I've saved over $3,000 covering 2 cars, and I couldn't be happier.
Saving the $2,700 has been a real blessing. I love CarShield.
Saving drivers money on car repairs isn't all CarShield does. All plans include money-saving benefits like nationwide 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, help with lockouts, dead batteries, and rental car options. So no matter where you are, CarShield is with you.
Don't wait until it's too late. Call CarShield now and get protection for your out-of-warranty vehicle. Call 800-579-6554.
If you love to drive and your vehicle is out of warranty, you know that car, truck, SUV in your driveway will eventually break down. CarShield helps protect more than your car and wallet. It gives you the freedom to get to all the places you need to be.
I don't have to worry about how many miles I drive. I know that I have somebody that's got my back.
Saving money on car repairs has never been so easy. Give CarShield a call before hitting the road again, because driving worry-free is priceless. Call now.
Call CarShield and get the CarShield guarantee. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.